Pangulong Leo de Guzman, RMN.
Good evening, sir. On Monday po, mag-roll out na yung process ng impeachment trial. Ano pong ina-expect natin sa allies?
I expect them to go for the truth. Kung ano yung totoo, yun na yun.
Okay. Next question, Mr. Ben Teshorna.
Mayor, there's a study here in Hong Kong that 3 out of 5 OFW, domestic workers, have inadequate accommodation, meaning maliliit talaga. Anong balak ng...
No, there's a legislation, I was informed, and it will correct the inadequacies. Sinabi nila sa akin yan. It's legislation.
Mr.
I was promised that there's now a pending law, not law, but a pending, how would you call it, bill.
Good evening, sir. Sir, may we know kung i-appoint niyo rin yung Mocha Girls sa government?
Not all. But kung gusto nila magtrabaho, tatrabaho ko. There's nothing wrong in working for government. I see none.
So, sir, saan pong posisyon, sir?
Well, hindi mo na pwede na maging secretary. But that is a job that is appropriate to this qualification.
John Villanueva.
Walang problema tingin ko sa isang Pilipino na maghanap buhay.
Sir, can you expound on the OFW bank? Na-acquire na ba yung postal bank?
Yeah, in a process, we're acquiring it. We are now preparing the law. Gusto ko, pati yung Marino, separate bureau or whatever na kasi ang gusto nila, ganun rin. Pinapapasa sila kung saan sila pumunta. I want a building all for themselves where they can get the following requirements from government. And I told government to go online.
Sir, would that bank operational by October as mentioned?
No, mahirap yan. Pag-aralan pa ng it has to pass Congress.
Okay, Doris.
It cannot be done by an executive fiat.
Doris Bigarnia, ABS-CBN.
Sir, pa-clarify ko lang po, yung doon sa tulong sa mga OFWs, yung bukod sa inhuman na sleeping quarters nila, ano po ang pwede nyo pang maipangako sa kanila, like yung kanilang mga problema sa mga recruiter?
A young recruiter, if I have the cooperation, ang problema kasi wala tayong, we need an agency dedicated just to regulate itong mga recruitment. And making it illegal to operate independently sans the government participation. Pagka illegal recruitment is wala kang lisensya, automatic yan.
So magka-crackdown ang gobyerno?
Yes. I will go after, kagaya ng mga itong 5-6.
Okay.
Okay, Benjamin Del Rosario.
Sir, you're going to the Belt and Road nation sa China. What do we hope to gain there?
Wala
Ano yung
pa.
specifics?
We have listened to the presentation. It's all economics. There is no advance copy in our hands. There is no previous notices of what will be taken up there, and we have to see the blueprint. But I think it's all an economic situation.
Yung pakikipag-usap nyo, will there be bilateral talks?
Yes, plenty. Turkey and Mongolia. And of course, China.
Ano kuya yung, pwede lang sabihin yung
Hindi ko talaga,
details?
I cannot give you the imponderables of life.
Okay, please state your name, ma'am.
Si Ason Cañete po, ng HFN TV at GMA News po dito. 25 years na po ako sa Hong Kong.
Oh.
Yeah, sir, galing po to sa inyo. Yeah. So, ang tanong ko po dito, mga 4 years po, ang problema po ng mga overseas Filipino workers dito ay yung OEC. So, several times na-cover ko po yung pila ng mga Pilipino natin. Umaabot po ng 12 to 15 minutes, minsan oras hanggang mula alas 9 hanggang alas 2 ng hapon. Nakapila po sila sa tulay doon po sa may bandang Admiralty. Yung po yung panawagan nila dito for years na matanggalin po ang OEC. Nagbago po ito nung nagkaroon po ng online kind of pagre-rehisto.
Wala naman OEC ngayon certificate.
No, sir. Meron pong online ang ginagamit po. Pero given po ng kakulangan ng ibang Pilipino po natin na hindi malaman po doon sa teknolohiya at yung iba po naman talaga ay may problema sa pag-register, nagkakaroon po ng problema. Ang bottom line po, ang kailangan po nila sana, ang panawagan po ng mga OFWs natin ay tanggalin ang OEC. Ilang beses na po itong napangako, pero ganun pa rin po, sa pagbabago po ng maski ng online po na pamamaraan, nagkakaroon po ng problema.
There has to be an aberration somewhere in the system.
Yeah.
I will ask Bebot Belio to study. I'm not too familiar with what is wrong here and what is not. So I will ask Labor to conduct a study. I'll just give them ano ba ngayon? May until the end of the month.
Yeah.
Then by the end of the month, you can tell our countrymen here that I will now decide. Basta I have to have some basis actually.
Okay, thank you.
I would not pretend to know something which I do not have in my hands.
Nag-uusap daw po ang China and Manila about the possibility of signing a labor agreement about sending Filipino workers in China. Can you tell us more about this?
Wala ako because even the study itself, I am not posted. It might be dito pa lang yan sa baba, masyadong the suggestive substance of what the agreement would be. So it's all the ball is in the Department of Labor.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, media, friends from the media. Thank you, Mr. President.
So you are satisfied with Vanessa? Mo para magtanong yan sila kung sino si... Ako ng Commission on pati BIR, sabihin ko na totoo. Ngayon, yung lahat ng totoo about Vanessa. Pero as of now, she remains hindi naman incognito, but mabait siya. And someday I will reveal the truth. Pero ngayon, nag-ano kayo, saan talaga galing ang 3 million? May pera yung babae.
Is she single?
Yes. Mukhang... Ayaw na sabihin ang totoo kung separated siya o single.
Sir, taga Mindanao po.
Hindi, taga Manila. She has been traveling with me every labas ko.
Sir, nandito po siya.
This time wala. Pero in previous labas ko, she was always a member of the... Gusto na ni Bong isabihin ang lahat, sabi ko, ayaw muna.
Sir, kailan pa po siya sugar mommy po ninyo?
Ano po?
Kailan pa po siya sugar mommy po ninyo, sir?
Bago lang?
Sabi niyo.
After the elections.
Sabi mo matagal na.
Sir, sabi niya before.
Matagal na yan.
1 year.
Hindi pa, ma'am. Pero matagal na. 6 months is matagal na. 9, ano pa man. Matagal na yan, ha?
So, sir, last year lang po nagsimula. Okay, thank you, Tina. Thank you, Mr.
Sir,
President.
totoo ba o hindi? Are you serious? Sir? Hindi ko alam. Tanungin mo, Tina, kung totoo.
Bahala na sila. Wala man na sino yan siya.
Sir, nag-joke ka ba?
Oo nga, mamaya.
Oo.
Sir,
Let them find out the truth. Bakit ako pa magsabi na
so it's not a
Sino-
joke, sir? It's serious, sir. Are you serious?
kita mo sa interview ko sinabi, hindi ako serious?
Hindi nga.
Kaya nga po.
About Vanessa and the 3 million.
Kaya nga, totoo.
Pwede namin sulatin, sir.
Oo, bahala ng mukhang tanga yun. Sabi ko, nagbibiro ako, nagtatawa ako, nagpapatawa, ayaw man nila maniwala, di ba? Hindi. Sobra yan sa yung dumating na wala ng purpose ang pera. Tapos hindi ko na malaman kung sino-sino. Maliit ito eh. Yun ang dineclare ko na si income. Nandyan sa kamay ko eh. Income. Tingnan ninyo sa return, nandoon yun. Pati sa SALN. Nagbayag ako ng income tax.
Okay.
Kayo, disobitsoso pa sa nabi ng babae, sugar mami. Kainga, ganun na.